Welcome to Masteriyo tutorials. In this video, we will learn about how to add coupons to provide discounts to the user that buy your courses. This is a premium add-on of Masteriyo, so you must have our product's growth or scale plan. After this, from the Masteriyo dashboard, go to Add-ons. Search for Coupons add-on, then enable it. After this, a new option Coupons will appear here. Click on it. From here, you can create coupons. Let's add a new coupon which is on your top right. Add new coupon. Now you will see the following screen where you can add the details for the coupon you are creating. First, you can write the code name for the desired coupon. Next, in the description, describe the code's purpose, discounts available, and many more. And you can set the total number of times the coupon can be applied in general. Then you can set the total number of times the coupon can be used for the same user. Next is discount type. There are two types of discounts. First one is fixed card discount and next one is percent card discount. In fixed card discount, set this to provide fixed discounts like $50. In percent card discount, set this to provide some percent of the total course price like 10%. You can also write the discount amount for the coupon code. Make sure which discount type you have selected. And finally, there is start date and expiry date. Set the date from when the coupon can be applied and set the expiry date of it. Once you have set all the above fields, you can click on Create button to create the coupon, or click on Save to Draft to save the coupon for future use. That's all, now your coupon is ready to use. You can go to Masteriyo Coupons to view all the coupons you have created. Once a user buys a course, they will be redirected to the checkout page. Here, you will find a checkout form where you will see a form called Coupon. And click on Apply Coupon to find the total sum after given discount. And if you add another code on the checkout form, then it will be replaced by another code. That's all for how you can use Coupons add-on in Masteriyo Pro. If you have any queries on any of the steps, you can contact our support team. Link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.